Hi guys, if you have never used a Gorenje Induction Hob before, getting it started is quick and easy once you know the control sequence. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start the Gorenje Induction Hob. So before turning anything on, you need to simply place an induction compatible pan or any type of pot on the cooking zone that you plan to use. Now induction hobs only work when the compatible cookware is detected. Now you just have to simply take a look at the power button. So you need to simply press and hold the power button for a few seconds. This way the control panel will illuminate, indicating that the hob is ready to use. Now you can touch the cooking zone that you want, and then you can select the zone will become active, allowing you to adjust its heat level independently from the others. Now you can just simply use the slider or plus or the minus control buttons in order to basically select a power level. Now the lower settings are ideal for simmering, while higher settings provide you the faster heating for boiling and frying. So once the heat level is set, the hob start heating automatically. So if the cookware is compatible and positioned correctly, the cooking zone will begin generating the heat immediately. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.